lab manual. In the lab manual, there is a task given in the in-lab exercise. You can place that command in your emulator and run it, and then find your output, and you need to place that output in the table, as well as you need to verify the execution of that statement. For example, all the instructions that we have studied above are present in this table. For example, addition, subtraction, addition with carry, multiplication and division. You need to place these instructions in your emulator and run step by step to find out the answer, and you, in this way you will learn about these instructions. And then to clarify the ideas of your arithmetic instruction, there are few tasks given to you. For example, task 2 is to find the addition of given values. In that task, you need to find out the addition by using ADD and ADC command. Then there is another task to find out the square. In that task, you can use multiplication command to find out a square of a number. Then again, there is a task to find out the addition. Then in task 5, you need to write an assembly language code to compute the cube of a number. So I hope all of you know that how to find out the cube. In that, you need to again use the multiply command. Then in task number 6, basically there is a formula given to find out the area of a triangle. You need to implement this formula by the help of arithmetic instructions of assembly language. I hope it will be easy for you to implement that task as well. Then there is another task, write an assembly code to compute the average of 5 numbers. In that case, basically first you need to add those 5 numbers, and you need later you need to divide it by 5, and then you need to get an answer of that average of 5 numbers. The last task is write an assembly language code that converts the Celsius reading of temperature into Fahrenheit equivalent. Basically, you can Google the formula of centigrade to Fahrenheit conversion, and then you need to implement that formula with the help of arithmetic instruction by using assembly language and emulator 8086. Then you need to write that code which can convert any Celsius value into Fahrenheit as per the following instruction given in that task. So that's all from my side. Thank you.